What's up, everyone? It's the Sew Crafty Teacher. I'm Alisha. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to give a tour of my studio, or Hayes Custom Creations headquarters. If you would like to stay for the tour, keep watching. Alright, welcome back. Here's a tour of my studio. Here's where I have my shipping labels and my scale and my favorite caddy that spins around with all my pen, markers, and Sharpies. My cards, my gigantic screen, and my baby screen. And I have create and all of these quotes because I think we all should be empowered. Over here I have Brother Scan and Cut, a sewing machine, and I also have a sublimation printer. Papers at the bottom. There's another one. She created a life she loved. I believe in that. And here are 4 silhouette cutting machines. I have 4 because you can cut up to 6 at a time. And I use all 4 of them when I'm working on projects. So this is where I cut my vinyl. Everything's labeled, my vinyl picker, my seam rippers, my scissors. I have my light, adjustable light. You can get this on Amazon for like 25 bucks. It is the best, especially when you are weeding white or glitter vinyl. Here is how I organize my vinyl. My vinyl is organized by color, and then on this side there's a lot of glitter vinyl. These are actually shoe storages. I got one on Marketplace, Facebook Marketplace, and I bought one at Home Depot. I had a coupon, not really expensive, has served me well. I also have this little area, which is, I know it's a little dark over here. Yes, that is a trash can. I have lots of trash cans. And this is just for, all of this is adhesive vinyl. And I have lots of light in here because it's a big space. I live in a split level home. I'm not in the basement, but the light is in the center and it is pretty big down here. I do own a heat press and a hat press, 2 heat presses, which if I'm doing sublimation, I can have it on one temp, and if I'm doing vinyl or tender touching a shirt I just embroidered, I can have it on another. I do keep track of all of my vinyl. Everything is all my vinyl scraps, all my glitter scraps, all of my embroidery vinyl scraps, everything. Here you see this bin. These are all glitter rolls, glitter embroidery, well, glitter HTV vinyl. This is my little cradle if I want to do any type of adhesive on cups or bottles. I also do have a mug press or a cup press. And this is my transfer tape. This is my big roll. I keep it right here. Just had to buy another one. This is the Tender Touch or the cover stitch. I got this from allstitch.net. Here are my favorite scissors to cut that because the other scissors, they cannot cut a straight line and the fabric gathers, and so this is a great tool. So this is the workspace where I have a shirt. If I need to trim, I need to cut, I need to add tender touch, anything like that. And I have a roll of heat transfer vinyl because I do sublimation. Here is my little area for, this is my roll or bolt of heat and bond. I got this on Amazon for like $36, and I've probably done maybe 150 shirts, and I still have plenty left. This is why I keep all embroidery vinyl. I had something from Angela, and I have some keep on Marco World. So I keep on my embroidery vinyl here. This is just some more of the ones that I have that I use. Shipping, when I have a lot of local orders, everybody gets a thank you bag instead of putting it in the poly mail. I'm just gonna put that back. This is my, sometimes I do parties or I do events, certain things. So this is my portable swing away heat press. This is how I sort a lot of my blanks, and all of them have labels, and I go through and do inventory every week. So I have Girls to Tea, which I love. Nina will be coming to order from you, or ARB blanks, or Blanks Boutique soon. So I have those. Storage. I keep all my mighty boots here. They're separated by these cards because they like to stick together. But since I use them often, I don't hang them on my machines. I put them here. I have 3 8x9s, 1 8x8, 1 5-inch 5x5, and then I have an 8x11. And this is where I keep more blanks. And this is how I organize my thread. I don't like my thread hanging on the wall. And these drawers are perfect for organizing thread. I can just pull them out and see whatever I need. I also store my ink here too. Found a really good deal at Target. So I got most of all the ink they had. Here's one of my products that I'm going to be adding to my shop. It is also a gift for my great niece. This is another storage unit. This has backpacks and baby items in it, so I'm still going through that. And I have adult shirts, extra large, small, and hoodies and everything over there. This is where I store all my fabric. So both of these cubes are filled with fabric, all my popular fabric. I have just a bin for those because those are my best sellers. And by color, black and gray, pink and polka dot, orange, yellow, green, Halloween. I just added some more Valentine fabric. And I got some Christmas, some buffalo plaid. I love buffalo plaid. You probably hear my dogs outside because I am on the bottom floor. Here is my sign. I got this about 5 years ago when I made my business official. I just got on Etsy this year, so I've been on Etsy for a few months. But I've always sold local and to friends and family. Okay, here is a picture, not a picture. Here are all 3 of my machines. So, I have a PR655, Baby Lock Embroidery Professional, and then I have a Brother 10 needle, which I love them all in their unique way. Do you see a laptop here? Because I said it doesn't have a USB stick because it's an older machine, so I had an old laptop and I can just send my designs directly to the computer, assign the colors, and that's it. And you can see here where I am getting ready to stitch out another design. That's another video. I just want to go back on there. We'll put that on there later. So this is just t-shirt fabric, so I can keep my shirts. My other machine have all kinds of these sorts of materials. You can see here I have my cutaway stabilizer, and then I have my tearaway 8x8 for my smallest, and then my other tearaway stabilizer. I mainly use tearaway now for my samples or my mock-ups for online. And then down here have all different types of stabilizers, water soluble, and let's see, this is no show mesh, sticky stabilizer, and my fast frames, and I do have lots of fast frames. I have 2 sets of fast frames, a set of turkey frames, and then all the standard frames that comes with it. I have 2 cap driver, 2 cap drivers, so I can run 2 machines with 2 machines at a time. I also have these blanks, more blanks here, more backpacks, sell backpacks. This is mainly for adult. The other contraption that I showed you, the other thing that I showed you over there, that's my Calyx Cube, came from IKEA, probably about 4 or 5 years ago. These are mainly all children's blanks. I don't know if I showed you this. Gowns. My template tutu is not my thing. And I made this little sublimation shirt. And of course, shopping is my cardio. There's a studio. So I have that. And then here's my shipping station. Put all my, I put all of, do I put over here? My order slips and my labels, so I can put on there. Here's my post office box. And here is the U.S. Post Office. I put my shirts in here just for durability. Thank you. Shout out to little Alisha Co. Also shout out to Angela Jasmina. They're helping me grow my business. And that's the shipping station. And I'm going to show you where my A fell. Look at that. ACC. This is my little light box where I put my pictures. I have my background. Let's play it up and see what it looks like. Alright. So it's bright. I believe Angela has that. You can go inside top. You can go in front, top, side. So I'll give you a span of my work area. I love this pink rug. I love pink. My smaller office was green. I already painted green when we moved here years ago. So I just, here's a span. Here's headquarters, vinyl station, heating press station, blanks, television, thread, and fabric. My 3 machines all lined up, other resources and things that I need. I do have the hoop master. I currently am doing adding logos to about 350 masks, so I'm using my fast frames for that. And again, shipping station. And my shipping station also, everything is labeled here. When I do a pack with me, I have these that I stick on the back of my orders with a sticker. And I also use these do not bend stickers when I mail all types of things. So I have inserts for adults, and then I have inserts for children, or if it's seasonal. This is a Christmas insert. I get birthday pencil and a sticker. Here are my shipping bags, clearly labeled shipping bags. They're supposed to be do not bend stickers, but I moved them over here. And this is just for my larger orders, backpacks, and hoodies. More inserts. And all of my poly mailers. that. All kinds, and I also have smaller sizes for math. So there's my studio. Thank you so much for joining me on a tour of my studio. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more, please hit that subscribe button, and also hit the little bell for the notifications when I post a video. And I hope to go live soon and add many more. Thank you for watching. Ciao.